Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your display language on CoinGecko.com account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Start off by opening up a web browser and go to the URL box and type in CoinGecko.com and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure to log into your CoinGecko.com account by entering the correct credentials. After you are signed into the account, go ahead and click on the settings icon or the gear icon at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up, click the language option. You will be able to see the list of languages you can change to. Select one of the preferred language you would like to change to for your display and click on it. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your display language on CoinGecko. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.